Welcome to my channel Speak English Like a Native. I regularly introduce about new words and its practice to grow your vocabulary and confidence. 1. Incident/accident. What's the difference between incident and accident? Incident. An accepted incident, a general occurrence or event. Accident. An unaccepted incident, typically implying something undesirable or unplanned. 2. Attack/assault/invasion. Attack/assault. General term for an attack. Ambush/target killing. To attack from a hidden position, often with a specific target in mind. Advance/invade. To move forward aggressively, often with the intention of taking control of territory. Armed assault. To attack while being armed, implying a more formal or organized assault. Full-scale armed attack. To attack with complete armament. To attack suddenly, often from behind or without warning. 3. Investigation/inquiry. Investigation/inquiry. A general term for looking into something, often used for official inquiries. Probe/thorough investigation. Implies a deeper, more detailed investigation, often informal but can be formal. Interrogation/official investigation. Often refers to police or legal investigation, including questioning. Scrutiny/close examination. A detailed check or